In today's video, I will guide you on how to delete system restore points on your Windows 11 PC. You do this to free up space on your device. So the process is very simple. First, click on the Start menu button, then click on Settings, click System, scroll down to the base of this place, click on About, then click on System Protection. Now you have yourself on this place. Then as well, you can get to this place with another steps. Right click on this PC, click on Property, then that will bring you to this interface. Then click on System Protection. You have this Windows here. Then come over to this, click on the C drive, which is a local disk. Then click on Configure. Now click on this button, delete all restore points on this drive. Click on this button, click on Continue. The restore point was deleted successfully. Click on OK, then close this page. So that is all, guys. You've been able to delete the restore point on your laptop computer. If you get this tip you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.